In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics 4 for your website. Whether you're brand new to Google Analytics or just transitioning to GA4, this guide will help you get your analytics up and running smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to sign in and start measuring. Head over to analytics.google.com and sign in with your existing Google account. If you're a new user, you'll see an option to start measuring right away. Existing users should navigate to the admin section, where you'll create a new account by clicking Create under the Account column. Next, it's time to create your analytics account. You'll be prompted to enter an account name, which could be something like your company's name for easy identification. You'll also need to determine your data sharing preferences with Google. This step is crucial for deciding how much data you want to share with Google to get personalized insights. Once you're ready, click Next to move forward to building your first property. Now let's set up a GA4 property. Give your property a meaningful name, select your local time zone so your data is accurately time-stamped, and choose your currency for financial metrics. After clicking Next, you'll be prompted to select an industry category, business size, and objectives. These selections are vital because they help tailor the analytics insights to your specific business needs. Click Create and accept Google's terms to proceed. With your GA4 property set up, the next step is adding a data stream. In the GA4 admin area under your new property, find and click on Data Streams and then Add Stream. For most users, you'll choose Web unless you're implementing this on a mobile platform. Input your website URL and give the stream a descriptive name before clicking Create Stream. To install the tracking tag, locate your measurement ID on the stream overview page, which you'll need for tracking your data. You'll see a global site tag, often referred to as gtag.js. Go ahead and copy this snippet. You'll need to paste it into the section of your website's HTML. If you're not comfortable with coding, you can alternatively use a tool like Google Tag Manager, or integrate it using popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Shopify, which have built-in support for Google Analytics. Lastly, verify and explore your setup. After installing the tag, wait about 30 minutes, then check the real-time or debug view in GA4 to ensure your site activity is being recorded correctly. Note that while you might see initial data, Google can take up to 24 to 48 hours to display complete data collection. Once everything's set, you are equipped and ready to engage